Ukhuluma Swati? Ngumswati.
Yebo.
Uqhamuka ngako?
Ngikhuluma eMpumalanga, e-White River, wena ubuyaphi?
Awu, umkhaya wami uzwana.
Hayi bo.
Mina ngibuya kaNyamazana.
Hayi wena. Wow.
Shumela invoice.
Olala ngani?
Thobela ntate Maputla.
Richele o betetse nakonyana mare kwa a feta.
Ha o hloke gore o tlo ntlhalosetsa dikgetho tša gago.
Kore imagine ba re gopane o tšhabile tronko ya ba wena o ntšhang ditaba ke raka interview e la gago nagana fela dinomoro tse o tlo di hwetša
Mphengile fihla ke ka kwa kampo.
Ke tshwere the CCTV manual. Ye ile gore e tshwana le ya gago go felelela. And the system ya yona e phumula all the footage automatically ka morago 90 days.
Wakey! Hey, Maputla! So, Ramon, hey! Ka tlo robala mo. You're comfortable, ka bona. Nana ke hotel mo, ne? So. Hey! Wake up, Papa. Wabona drunk drivers, domestic violence, the petty crimes. Keep filling these cells during the weekend. But wabona ring. Ana lebo tshoma, eh? Hape re tlo go tloela eng? Instead of roll latlhele gara di cell le di hardcore criminals kwa Polokwane prison.
Look here, gona le se sengwe that you found while le drop the charges.
Dropping charges? Nope. You know why?
Why?
You're waiting for court.
Okay, then so long yakanga.
Just nje ke tlo check af, eh? Papa, I don't want you to do anything stupid. Yeah? Papa, the cheese boys they swap. They differ too much. I don't know what like it.
Well, Fika. Yeah. Steve. Stevie. Scheme Simon. Scheme. Scheme. Scheme Simon.
Hayi ni enjoy usuku lenu.
Bye, mommy.
Bye baby.
Good morning.
Morning.
Hello, Jana. Nice to see you.
Moss, what are you doing here?
Is Nkosi here?
No, he's in the Eastern Cape.
What's he doing in the Eastern Cape?
Is there something wrong?
Please tell me he's not spending time with his extramural wife. Tell me it's some other family commitment.
It's the extramural wife.
He's not supposed to be there. I mean, why hire me if he's not even going to listen? Excuse me.
Come on.
What's wrong with the futhumage, man?
Now, Mara guys, if you net, I've been at my other school. We actually used to wear the jacket so and for PE really. No, but it's fine. It's fine. I mean, this I guess this will do.
Nko relax. Sekolo sa go sa gale ke mo mafo ya spec. Go sa netla.
Thank you.
I don't remove.
Always home.
Remove. Relax.
See? Kudos your mom. Kape ushumile. Ke ne ke sa tshepo gore ka kgona go se dira se. But she really ate. Ke a leboha.
Ke nagana gore matric dance o ka bereka. Ha se tsulela nne.
Gape ga le re ba ke tsana ga mo. Re bala re jelo tja tja. Yo manyana ka matric dance wa le. La tso rena ke reng santse re tsitsikele ka ra ga dibuka.
Re tsitsikele ka tsaya se tsulela ga dibuka. Nna nya go ya matric dance.
Re khono ke ra di basa.
Oh, why am I playing the bazaar when some of us can imagine ourselves got a mermaid gown, which is gold and silver, a poster.
Bona guys, ke tla gopela Mr. Q.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, I think I should do it.
No, I will do it.
No, I will. Hey, when I'm
Hey man,
And man. If you guys continue like this, I have to kick you out.
Le computer check amka kalwa kala tuma check jungle
Jackie, please, hey, please, leave the matrix alone. Answer me, man. Busy much of trouble. Pass a great
Sir, but please, can you please reconsider the metric tons? Yeah. Like, please, sir.
But we already spoke about this.
Please.
So please, Happy, we wanna see you dance this time.
Monyako wa go latela o mo kae?
Kamera yo ya monyako ga ene mafestere. So sontse ke e fete. Ke ya go monyako o latelang, it's about 3 meters down ka letsogong la go ja.
O se no feta monyako wa letsoa la go ja?
Ke yona kamera e tla be re le ka go yona kamera ga interview. Kamera yo ene le mafestere a mabedi a godimo a lebeletse lebati. Mafestere a gona a 50 centimeters in width and 90 centimeters in length.
O pile go mo le naka mo. O ka no bula matlo.
Okay. Alright. Jwanong le ntlogelaneng ka gore gape thibo sa ka se bolele kgolegong for nothing.
Iketle mapitsi. Re nyaka fela motho o tsebang. Re gone mo montsha gore o sa phela.
Okay. Sonti.
Hae.
Sonti ibile ke tsebe dinomo tja ka tlhogo.
Sonti wa phapa. Sonti a gone o isha masafo fase. Le thibo sena o se ka tshwenya kae o bolokeile. Le wena o tla botse man. O ithuta dilo tse dintšhi mo.
And then re ke shetse ke di kgona dilo tse ka moka go tlo diragalang mara.
Ka morago wa mo swantse re tle ka leano la o lokolla. O bona dilo ka moka di sepela gabotse. Di gatela pele.
Okay.
Mara bona Thabo ngwana la nantse njalo bogala. Ba tsa ngwana o na le sebedi. Ke gopola nako ela ke mona concerting ya Tuksenganga. Mara gore ka bola ya mosadi wa gago.
Carol, stop it. Shame on you. Gore ka bola ditaba tša mohuta o mo mmerekong. Ha o tlhomphe mmereko wa gago wena.
So, as I was telling you, can I know the metric tons? It's going to be good for the learners.
I ke bone le mmono mo ka one man. I mean, go ka lebelela, taba tša metric tons man. Di tela mošomo wa sekolo.
Sir, we're not trying to loosen up, man. Loosen up, sir. Just for the kids to have fun, and we have this short amount of time. Don't worry, SGB, then I'll revert back to the learners. Don't worry, calm down. Don't worry.
Nemufumakazi wanga dzina lawe aliho hapa pethu mana ndiye nozvita zvote. Who is the PR person that needs to get fired?
Hi, sir. So, PR consultant here to Joy.
Joy? Well, that's funny because there's nothing joyful about this.
Okay, Yenuzendleleni. So, if you don't mind, Plambe, you can...
Igay Bosian. Kwezi. Ugay. Now, ngitele ni tiye ndodindela.
Okay, that is not part of my job.
So then who must help me?
Understand?
Ndi minutes. Ndikhonya kuitela tiye nga mumwe munna. Hezo zwithu zwo guma nga tshifhinga tsha apartheid vhana vha iteli vhaṅwe vhana tiye.
With all due respect, sir, that's part of my job, and I take pride in it.
Huh? Will you shut down, in the year 2026? My goodness.
Mr. Pride, take me to your boss's office and make me my tea.
ko bone gore matlho a gago a re burile jwang.
Yeah, ke ja ke kgone gore I have to keep watching Alvin.
Ke boledišane le prosecutor o tshepisitse gore a ka se oppose bail.
Kore lebaka ke eng gore re be re emele go fitlhe mantaga ga ba kgone gore ba tšee molato o ba o latlhele kwa.
I think we need to focus on getting Thabo home. Then I will rip them off.
Babe, ke mafelo a beke ga ba ka tla ba metša ba miša kgolegong ya nnete.
Yeah, tseola ba tlile kwa diseleng a mpotsa gore ba tlo keepa ngwantsongwane.
Goreng? O ba tlile mo o phara ka dipotsišo. Mola nna ke se gona.
Pape, tseola ba tlile go thola fela maputla and jale eo ke tshepidišo.
E le gore ke protocol efe e le gore le e lateletse go make sure gore le a tseba gore ke CCTV ya mohuta mang.
Wa tseba re kgweditše gore kgatišo e ya CCTV e a phomolega ka morago ga 90 days.
Le na le bohlatse ba gore morwa wa ka gana molato e fela le sa mmeile ka mo
Ba IT ba sa šomana le yona ntho bua ke.
pele ga le la ditlhong la tseba.
Wa tseba go a makatša gore ka tšatši le mmapitse a timeletseng ka lona systema ya phomola fela kgatišo ya 90 days mara e phomotše dikgatišo ka moka. O nagana gore se e ka no ba e le gore e be e sa šome gabotse goba e ka ba e kgotla-kgotlile?
Captain mosadi wa ka o somewhere gona bjale with the real criminals e fela le busy ka nonsense re latlhegelwa ke chance ya go mokgwetša sa pele. Exactly.
Shibase.
Le gae dzina la mufumakadzi wanga. No way. Danongudze zwi ḓisa hani or a top qualified chemist who worked on your store product dzina lawe aliwanali.
Wonke umuntu uyawazi umsebenzi omuhle oncomekayo owenziwa unkosikazi wakho.
Ndikho umbeda gore nna dzina la mufumakadzi wanga litabanye lijenisiwe.
Our purity means isiqiniseko sokuthi umfazi wakho uthola solo recognition in some praise.
Oh. Ini dzina lami hot. Really? One other hot. It's crazy beauty all the way. Oyi wanga mufumakadzi ene a celebrate we. Ushuma ngamanda.
I'm so sorry, guys. Babe, ngicela sihambe. Babe, Shibase.
What was that?
Oh, the matoteng. Oh man, Astamon. Oh man.
Hey.
Ma, ka ba le sepetse jang kwa police station.
Batho ba le bana le botlhatse ba gore Thabo ga se a phomola e kgatišo ele ya CCTV. Ke ba uwe ga ba sa nyake go montšha. Ke eng ka lena ba babedi jale? Ruri ka yona nako e lena le tlile go itshwara ka tsela e.
Manna ke direng ka gore papa Shiba ba thomile gape. Ba blame nna gore mapitso nyameletse. I mean really, eh? Nna ke tsena ka ga nna mo. E dira sense no dira sense ntwana.
Moraga o boditse gore o dula le Rachel Kunutu.
Eh ba. Papa jole taba tsa ka di tsena kae mo? Tsena ka yane.
Gore go bethwa ke mmopo mona. A se wa go ruta selo. Bele gone o nyaka go.
Nna ngwana re a tlhoka kore banna ba maputla molatswane na ke eng ngwana ka o kgolegong ba nyaka go motšea ba o mmeya le ba bolai le batho ba go kata batho lena le ngapana jwale ka katse le legotlo ruri ka nnete
A fa wa tswa gore mo kae?
ke tla tsebela o kae gore ke mo kae le ntswaletse ka mo le tswaletse le mafestere ke tla tsebela kae mara ka nnete
ke nyako go bontšha letlhakuri la polase mo sale ya swa apo o nyakile go hwela motho ka mo
gobaneng le nyako mpontšha seo
e ngopotša nako tšela pele ya mollo ka gore kgale ne ke no ba phoofolo ne ke le seganka ke gafiša ke le yellow bone wa opola o itea mogatšago o salanya go swela ka ntlong
buta mang leeto
ae mana ke re leeto ke raola le re ngwana nyatsi kwaito e se akamela
okay
ape ne ke berekela molloi ola ba reng ke lelo mothiana mara ke mo ke boneng le lerato la motswadi wa mosadi sale wa bona kae wena motswadi a kitimela ka ra gabo ya mollo e se lerato nto wena o ibitseng
ya ba nka le mpotša dilo tše ka moka
ka morao a gore ke thuše o la lelo o kidnapa kwaito ke ipoditše gore nka sa tsoa mo bophelong ke diile ntwa go tshwana le mohutola o ka nthuša o mpontšha gore nka diang ka polase e swelele bokamoso ba yone a re
Hi, Bo. Manje, awuye ekhaya?
Hayi emsebenzi eminyenti kakhulu. Angithi sinale activation ya weekend.
Oh, shame. Better you than me. Hepha ngcono nje ngikuthumelile onke ama-documents I mean, I wanna this on shutdown. I'm going to a film festival this weekend. Angifuni nje gijimisana ne-laptop.
Hayi bo nguwe mondlo. Awungitshele vele ukhona njani? Ngema-social media, ngema-social life, ma-festival. Mina nangiphuma la sifuna kendlini. Ngenze ndodakazi wami awulalisa.
Ngicela uqinisekise ukuthi first thing Monday morning i-sales report isedeskini lami.
Njani ngoba it's activations weekend. Uto sithatha isikhathi sitheni sokuthi ende report.
Well, it looks like uStanley uzilungiselele njengesisebenzi sami esithembekile ukuthi asebenze until late. Thank you, Stanley.
Kuzoba njalo mfati.
All right. Also, I might pop in for an activation or two over the weekend. All right. Hi.
Manje uvumeleni?
Umphathi wami Dawuthini. Ngikashwe nguye ngithi.
Bye, Stan.
Hey, khopela ntle le tabo le ba tafoleng.
Thank you.
Right.
Good.
Butcheng, tsebo se sala ka tronkong. Why? Ya mara, o tla tswa ka pedi ka Monday. Hai, no. Thank you.
Wena ke ngofana ka jwala so.
Ya no ska tshwenyega o na re bazar uto mo tlo e afford. Plus o bona gala o ka re wa itlhoka.
Letho.
O mona ke no business for you.
Eta. Ke gale ke batla go bona. Ke po shepen tshwantse. Ebe ka thusa o latlhana mo mapitsi. Please.
Even horrible podcast.
This comes from Ed, not your number one fan.
No, that's okay. Mo tlhong o tshwanetse go reng go no iwa maphodiseng.
No. I think we should just look through everything. It's like that all this thing I remember cyber team. It's kind of a gore maphodisa ke bana le kwale le tibos.
How would you feel, Mangase, ngiku add ukupeka to your responsibilities at an extra rate, of course?
Ngikathabela so ifela kusanthi uthoma lokho.
No. Ngaqala ngomsongloko. Yeah. How
to LJ Worthless. Look who's here. Hi.
Andongikelo kamani.
Cartel, and you look pale.
So tell me what cartel.
What's happening?
So one's night shift. I took straight from low night shift, the Eastern Cape, Tagaluma.
Hello. Ke tla dira dijo.
Okay, Tagal.
Mama. Kade kukhona uMos.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
Look, it's there.
Okay.
Look.
uMos kade ezokufuna la.
Yonke befana ndiyekele kuMos. Umama kaluzuku nomama wakhe baye bahlasela iSherry ebaphathele amaphepha e-divorce. Cover. And
Yo.
o bona wena e ko lebeletse botsotse o na le bo mantulinyana so wa iseng ka mogo ke raka ka lebaka la bana
Ya bo nna ke go lefela gore ke tla ba le sebete sa bokhuto bo ge nako e ka fihla.
o bona o ba le sebete ke ntho e botse kudu mara e seng pefelo ka gore pefelo ya o fisha ka moare ke bone ka gopane sala befelwa kudu ka morago wa gore morwa wa gae a bolaiwe ka mogwanola ska tshoa wa bona nna le wena swantse re berekishane as long as you can play your part lo tla rena di ka tsamaya botse
Go la se gore ke ne le kgetho go se wa kere.
ke a ikokobetša mapitsi re kgopela thuso ya gago mara o tsebe fela go o diantwe o tlo tša maikarabelo a yona nto nngwe le nngwe e na le ditlamorago o tlo kgona gore thuša gore jwang
Fela scheme me out never nipile monopoly ni la bofelo metlotlo ya hago jewa mogoga ditshebo like who's gonna take over dimana ka se survive the change over but I prove them all wrong as a soldier dawn some road songs I kept quiet and told my team hold on le mo le fifing ke tsepa mo the rhyming and follow where the sound lead and I can do without your favorite beat me cut the peanuts I'm a jitty quarter to my heartbeat Tintwana tsenyane kasi ba febile mabare bampitsa samane mare ke difita puo ka go rwala motswako le gete lame ke le tabogi kori ya me matarela track like left time di tsitsitswe ka mame na before try di poso go ba we tolerate di tolerate bona fe ba batla go mphetola di bona fe bangwe bare te rata di bona fe banga dile ke ja camino bona fe mathata budula sitilo bona fe ba batla go mphetola di bona fe bangwe bare te rata di bona fe banga dile ke ja camino bona fe mathata budula sitilo